may go and whatever we may become in the near future. On behalf of my batchmates, we thank you so much, dear teachers. Third, to my beloved parents, Mama and Papa, and to my younger brother, James, I likewise offer these honors to you. Hindi na ako makakababa dyan para gawin yung yung laging nagagawa ng iba na magsasabit ng medal, mamaya na sa bahay. I know all the sacrifices you make just to put me through in a school to have the best education possible. And at this very moment, you make me realize, Papa and Mama, that your investment of education is the best gift you could ever give to me. Alam ko, hindi tayo mayaman, at hindi man ako humingi ng kahit na ano, pero nagpapasalamat po ako. Nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo dahil sa edukasyon na itinagkaloob niyo sa akin. And with that, I commend you for your struggle in nurturing my mind and my soul. And I will promise you, Mama and Papa, that I will never disappoint you with all your dreams for me. Kasi kayo yung inspirasyon sa buhay ko. Ngayon ko lang ito sasabihin sa inyo. Kasi hindi naman po ako sweet sa iba. Ay kaya Mama and Papa. Papa, Mama, mahal na mahal ko kayo. And to all our parents here, you are the unsung heroes of this graduation day. Lastly, to all my classmates, whom I want to call friends either, thank you for the past 4 years we are together. Thank you for letting me come into your life. You taught me how to enjoy and appreciate the beauty of life. Na kahit minsan, kahit mali, ginagawa nga natin. You taught me how to be strong when goings get rough. We are together through those challenging moments in our life that all of us may be able to overcome. I will never forget all the memories that we had, at sana maging successful tayo balang araw. Sana pag nagkita-kita tayo, mapatunayan natin sa kanila na kahit ngayon, mga pasaway tayo, meron tayong mararating sa buhay. Patunayan natin yun. In closing, as I am here standing before you, there's a thought that our teachers always tells us creep into my mind. Value your education. So I call upon all my dear fellow graduates to be a responsible individual and make a meaningful difference. Because as we all know, we are faced with a rapidly changing world, and the only way we can is through education. Let us prove that we are indeed the future nation builders, and let us prove that we are the hope of our motherland, as our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, spoke of the young like us. To my fellow graduates, let's celebrate for what we have accomplished, and look an eye with towards on how we can to inspire other people. Congratulations to all of us. Once again, good evening, and may God bless us all. Thank you.
Thank you, Kim and Camille, for your inspiring words of thanks. Now let's hear the graduation song from the graduates.
Kan